tucked away nicely, take an early run. A little bit of width there, slightly short, smashed away. Is he going to race away all the way to the line? Just slowing up, gets to the rope, 4 runs first. Oh, that one's lifted high, 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 and carries the rope just by a metre or two. Oh, short, pulled away, great shot. Oh, is he gone? Oh, the finger goes up. Batsman maybe had a second thought about it. I thought he was on his way. There he is now. Well bowled, Barry McCarthy.
Yes, it's a key wicket for Ireland. The Pakistan captain doesn't look over.
Oh, that's picked up beautifully. Saw that early. Oh, again driven away. That's a beautiful shot, and it's 4 more. Slipped away nicely. There's no man deep on the leg side. That's going to be 4. 4 with that time. Beautifully timed shot. Beats the infield.
Oh, that's where Sharjeel has been so good.
Oh, and that's a great shot from Sharjeel. We're just saying marginally. Oh, it's a big shot. Well, he's not wasting any time there. He's got hold of that one.
That test again. Oh, at the moment, bowlers are taking a test against this man, Sharjeel. Oh, it's looked so good. And that's his 50. What a 50.
Oh, it's a top edge. Is it going to carry? 1 bounce. Right side edge, 4 more. And pulled away. Murtagh's down there. He'll cut that one off. No, he won't. Just tucked away again. That's going to be 4 more. Swing at that one. That's away for 4. Picked up early. Wider, crashed away. Oh, has he been caught? Porterfield very, very sharp indeed.
Exactly what the doctor ordered. Needed a wicket, William Porterfield.
Oh, more room there. The big swing at that one. Pulled away, big hit. Another swipe at that one, beats the fielder, 4 more. Oh, he goes big, that's into the crowd. Short, pulled away again. Too high for the fielder. Hitting already. That's a nice strike, beautiful shot through the covers, beats the 2 fielders. Straying down the leg side a little bit. Oh, and there it is, misfield. Went past O'Brien on the half volley. It was a tricky one to get. The 100 comes up for Sharjeel Khan. His teammates stand to applaud him. Great innings for Sharjeel Khan. His first ODI 100. His teammates delighted with him. Look what it means to Sharjeel Khan. And there's huge applause around the ground as well from all the Pakistan supporters here.
But they just can't stop the boundaries coming. And an excellent shot followed up over. And an absolutely enormous 6. And it's a wicket. Barry McCarthy back into the attack. Heads through to Niall O'Brien. And that nice little cameo from Babar Azam comes to an end. 29 at a run of ball. Pakistan lose their 3rd wicket for 203. 31st over.
Nice and high. What he does is tries to get underneath the ball.
Pakistan moves swiftly off double Nelson as Sharjeel moves to 152. the third fastest 150 in ODI history, overtaking Luke Runcie against Sri Lanka in 2015, third behind A.B. de Villiers and another catch for wicketkeeper Niall O'Brien, and the Irish plan has paid off. And another wicket. Tim Murtagh immediately strikes another age through to Niall O'Brien as the dangerous Sarfraz departs for 2, and Ireland slowly bring it.
Swung at that one, clear the infield, there's nobody deep, 4 runs. Oh, just couldn't get the boot to that, and that's gone straight down for 4. Swing at that one, is that going to beat the fielder out deep? Yes it is, good strike, 4 runs. More bottom hand in that than wrist, crashed away from...
Fielders will look up too early. And it goes again. This time it just clears mid-on, and I think it's going to race...
To spread the game. Oh, powerful strike straight down the ground, chase.
Oh, he's looking good, Nawaz. Well, Sterling. In the air, and
Yeah.
And should go for 4. Their repertoire is good. Slow one, hit away, and it's a 6.
Just back of a length.
No. 50 for Shoaib Malik, well played.
Uses all of his experience and strolls his way to yet another 50 for Pakistan. Very well played. We saw
No surprises there. In the air. Another one goes down. And it's gone for 4, and it's maiden 50 for Mohammad Nawaz. He played beautifully for his... That's in the air again, and this time it's going to be taken. McCarthy gets his 4th.
wicket there for young McCarthy. Very, very good inning.
Malik on strike. And he struck it well. One bounce. Fail. To get back on ball, Imad Wasim. So Pakistan will be quite satisfied with the effort. They scored 337 and lost 6 wickets. They played well in the depth of the innings.
A little bit of swing. Didn't see a huge amount of swing for the Irish.
Off the deck.
Bowled in, straight through the gap. Said there was a little bit of swing, but Mohammad Amir's got the ball right in the right place. He swung it back to Paul Sterling, and for any new batsman, that's never a good, easy delivery to face. Cracking shot from William Porterfield. Irish bowlers. A cracking shot from William Porterfield. Threads that one again. And he's bowled in. Fantastic comeback from Umar Gul. Might have had a layoff. Exactly what we're talking about. Ball just coming back ever so slightly and knocking out off stump. William Porterfield goes. 22.
There's a caught one, a brilliant catch. Bouncer, Joyce hooked, didn't quite get it. A brilliant take by Hassan. Straight at him, but sharp reactions to hold on to it.
Yeah, if you're not showing any intent to go after the bowlers as a batsman, you get both down and you see.
On the leg side, Niall O'Brien just clips it away. Has he caught him? He has a look at the umpire. There's a big appeal. The finger's gone up. Well, Ireland in deep, deep trouble now. Kevin O'Brien, 4 off the first ball, caught behind off the second, and heads back to the clubhouse. That's gone for 4. It's a nice stroke. That's gone out for 4. Struck well. Imad Wasim goes down the track, completely misses. Clean stumping, easy chance. He's been trying to go after the left arm spinner. O'Brien head down, heads back.
And that was the arm delivery.
Oh, finds a gap in the field. First ball nicely struck. 4 runs
towards extra cover. Slightly better, but inside edge onto the pads. Oh,
he's been given. Well, interesting over. Imad Wasim. Wicket for inside edge wicket. Stuart Pointer heads away looking very, very disappointed.
Cracking shot there. This looks like it might go away for 4. Thick outside edge off the back foot. And it does. That's out. Again, he's come down the wicket. And then McBride. Oh, that's Gary Wilson, sorry. Bit too early again. Just enough spin to beat the outside edge. Pakistan pick up another wicket. Eddie. Oh, he's bowled him. Straight through the gap. Barry McCarthy doesn't last very long. 3 balls, in fact. And Pakistan really making easy work of this now. Spinners have really got control. Oh, and he's bowled him. I have to say that was a pretty good delivery. He hasn't moved his feet as Tim doesn't, but almost like a little away swinger. Left arm away swinger. It's clipped the top of off stump.
Oh, he is out. Bowled this time. Well bowled. 3 balls and 4 wickets. And Ireland bowled out for 82. Pakistan, well, they were on top right from the start. Called disappointing performance from Ireland. Superb cricket from Pakistan.
Yeah, Imad Wasim finishes with a magnificent 5 for 14. Not a great degree of turn, but a good degree of guile, and too good for the Irish batsmen today.
Well, big smiles on the Pakistan faces and the sunshine in the late afternoon at Malahide. Gets to keep the ball for his 5 wickets.
Yeah, and our Scouser from Liverpool there looks equally dejected, unfortunately. Very disappointing performance, bowled out within 24 overs. It's just simply not good enough. I think there'll need to be a bit of a stewards inquiry, and we'll be looking forward to a much improved performance on Saturday.
Yeah, how do Ireland get back up for Saturday? It's a tough ask, 2 days to regroup.
Well, it's quite simple. It can't really get any worse than it is. This is a bit of an nadir for us, and the guys are going to have to just be very honest with themselves in the changing room, be very honest with each other, accept the situation as it is, and turn up on Saturday with a fresh mindset. There's nothing else for it. Dust it under the carpet. Turn up on Saturday with nothing to lose.
Well, the 2 sets of players shake hands. Disappointing.